Welcome to the second edition of Things Jamaican Children Say.
All who never born skip around. All who never born skip around. Sha la 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 la. Sha. You eat butter? No, you eat butter. You slide in the gutter. You eat bread. You eat red. Wait, you eat pear. You eat pear. You poop in the ear. You not go buy Guinness, go home in time. You not go buy bag juice, go home in time. What kind of house are you gonna live in? Upstairs, downstairs, underneath the toilet. Upstairs, downstairs, underneath the toilet. Spell mathematics. M-A-T-H. No, wrong. Mathematics. Matter in your eye and ticks in your body. At party, who bounce it out. At party, who bounce it out. At party, who bounce. And last, the thief in one, you know. And out you may go because the king and the queen said so. But me not want you pan me team, so me will make up something else fit make fit me friend win. Thief.